Hello guys, today we are going to study about C language. So the basic program is hello world. So let's create a file hello world.c. Now we have to import one standard library which is regarding input and output in C. So hashtag include, then brackets, then stdio.h. .h is the extension of the library, so you can understand the each and every library we import has the extension of h. Now we are going to create the main function where our actual code lies. To create the main function or to define the main function, we start with data type, that is void, then void equals to null, which means it doesn't return anything, and the function's name is main. So by the main you can say it is a main function. Now we are just going to write something which can be printed by executing our code. So for that we are using printf function. In printf function we can pass string, integer, float, anything we want. So to write this simple message hello world, we are using curly brackets, then inverted commas, and we are going to write hello world. Now I have opened the terminal to run the Gcc compiler, which is, you can also open the terminal from here also. Then first of all I have listed out my file name, which is hello world.c. So now I would write gcc space my file name .c with extension. You have to write with extension. Then if there is any error, the compiler shows the error. So here we got the which error? Semicolon error. So it says after the print statement you should write semicolon. So we have written semicolon, and now when we compile it again, so it doesn't give any errors, just okay. Now see, now the new file is created a.out by default, so we just have to execute it ./a.out. so we get our output, that is hello world, right, in the terminal. See, the output is there. Now this curly bracket we should write because it is a starting parenthesis and the closing parenthesis. It is most important part of the C language because it uses the block method of curly brackets to start and close the parenthesis of block of code. So this is the basic hello world program for running for C. You can try another things. Hit like if you enjoy the video. Thank you so much.